Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening up a box that's been sitting there for 5 years. We actually moved out of the country and then moved back a couple of years later, and I just got around to opening some boxes that were still in storage. I collect some fountain pens, not many, but quite a few. Mainly Kaweco. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. And then a Japanese brand. Also a Campo Marzio, which I will show in one of my other videos. And this one I thought was interesting. So in this box, I have a Benu Briolette, a Kaweco Skyline, fountain pen ink syringe, and then 3 colors from Noodlers, which you will see. So the Noodler colors, there's 3 of them. They're blue. However, each have a different tinge of green in them. I like a bit of tinge of green in my ink. So these are the samplers. So we have the Noodlers 54th Massachusetts. We have the Noodlers Aircore Blue Black. And then we have the Noodlers Squet League, which has a little bit more green than the Massachusetts. These are the syringe set, so that helps with cleaning, filling the cartridges. It's a great little set to have. A little sticker from the Pen Outpost, which I put on my toolbox. And then here we have the Kaweco and the Benu fountain pen. I like the Kaweco fountain pens. They're smaller, and they're very reliable pens. I mean, you can buy all the extra nibs, which come with the matching color bases for the pens that you've bought. A little instruction booklet, a little sticker that I stick on my little bottles where I keep my nibs on. I can show that in another video later on. And I love this pink. It's like a bubblegum party pink. Barbie pink, actually, I would say. I think this one is a fine point. I much prefer the fine point nibs. I write very small, considering that my vision is so bad. And so this is a twist cap, so we're just going to twist it open. And there you have it. So that nib is attached to that base. So when you order extra nibs, it comes with the base. So you have to also look at the colors and make sure they match your fountain pen. Yeah, beautiful. That's finished. All at the edge there. Their brand on it and made in Germany. I have to say it's one of my favorite fountain pens, and I like that you can put the cap at the end of the fountain pen, so it actually feels like a longer pen rather than a shorter. Some fountain pens, as you'll see with the Benu, you can't put the cap at the end of the pen, so it's kind of a short barrel, if you will, and I like it when the barrel is a bit longer. The Kaweco pens, you can also buy the ink adapter, so you can choose between a cartridge and an adapter. You can order those separately as well. I think that's the case for most fountain pens, if I'm not mistaken. Just make sure that you always order the right adapter for the fountain pen. So this is the Benu fountain pen, my first one. I remember when I saw it online, I thought, oh gosh, I have to have it. It's just beautiful. So let's see how that looks in real life. So excited about opening these things, especially having it been 5 years. I've been waiting quite a long time to do a video. And also when my nails look at its best. So here's the box. There's the cartridge, the extra cartridge. I did not order the adapter yet for the Benu because, to be honest, I usually prefer buying the liquid ink with an adapter and just pouring the ink in myself. I don't know, I just feel like I can control the portion of how, oh, look at this baby. Look at it, just sparkly. Look at how it's bouncing off the light. It's just bouncing off the light. It's just gorgeous. All right, let's twist that off. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. So look at that. You could see right through, right through. Look at that. Oh, and it's so light. And then there's the nib. Oh gosh, it's gorgeous. Just beautiful. I'm in awe. What a good choice. So this is a medium point. I don't know why I went. I think it was only available in a medium point. I think that's why I got it. I can always change the nib after. And it just twists back on. I can't put the cap though at the end, but that's fine. I just hold the cap in my hand and look at it as I'm writing. But it's a beauty.